Yo, real quick before this video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know that all the sneakers that you see in this video will be live tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, all the shoes that you see in this video will be on there along with a gang of other shoes, all right? Like, I think I'm gonna have maybe like 50 to 75 pairs on my website, shopsotopia.com. So that'll be linked down below in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. Set your alarms because shoes go stupid quick. All right, I'm just letting you guys know. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was a real fun one, but enough of this. I'll catch you guys on the DSLR. Let's get it and let's go. See, are we good right here? Okay. State your name.
Dustin Montefar.
Age?
27.
And is this your first time
Making an adult video? Yes.
Are you a little nervous?
My hands are sweaty, but I think I'll be okay once, we get started. Do I look at you or the camera?
Just look at me. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you guys can see, I got Dustin here with me. Hey. And today we're gonna be doing either a $2,000 mystery box or a
$6,000 mystery box.
$4,000 mystery box. So we have a total of $6,000 worth of mystery boxes here. They came from the same place, Soul Steals. We don't know which one is which, so we're gonna hit one of them. One of them, like I said, is a 4,000. One of them is a 2,000. So let's see what we get.
This is my first time ever doing this, you know that, right?
We're gonna pop that cherry today. It's
yes.
Also your first time on the casting couch, so let's go. Woo! Okay, so get on your knees. You're gonna unbox this, but you're not gonna peek into it.
Okay.
We're gonna start pulling shoes randomly. We'll take turns. Since it's your first time doing one of these videos, okay, they can't see my address. You crack it open, and like I said, we're not gonna look into the box. We're kind of just gonna feel around, okay? If you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to smash the like button and comment down below. Justin isn't really in these videos, so if you guys like it, maybe we could have a returning guest. But you guys really need to smash the like button, man. And follow him on Instagram. If you have a sister that's single, tell her to hit him up too. You go first. You could twist it towards you.
Okay. Let's just do it this way then.
Yeah. Do it that way.
I'm looking up. Kind of nervous.
Kind of nervous. It could be a $2,000 box.
Okay, first box. First box.
Oh,
first
box. Okay.
First box.
Oh, are those Gatorades?
Can I see the box?
Yeah, you can look.
Oh.
You pull it out.
Sixes or ones?
Show them. Okay, we got this box right here. It has to be ones.
You think it's ones?
Why would it be sixes? Sixes come in a different box, I think.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah! Condition?
Brand new.
You think so?
Yeah, they're brand new.
Gatorade ones. What size are these, Dustin?
12.
Size 12 Gatorade ones. Did these ever hit the outlets?
Yes.
I feel like this is an outlet sneaker. Not looking good for the first pull, but hey, we're just getting started into this box. I don't think these hit for too much, but not the best looking shoe. I mean, these are more of bricks. I don't think they're gonna sell that well, but who knows? If you guys are interested in any of the shoes that you see in this video,
laces are still attached.
shopsotopia.com. It'll be linked down below.
Your turn, sir.
No, you're gonna go. You go again.
Okay.
Just.
All right, another box.
Oh. Okay, this is a nice
silver box for
you gotta show them. You gotta show them.
Look what it says. For legit checks only.
So they use it as an
example?
So they
use it as an example for it to make sure it's a real pair. You ready?
Wait. Open it with them. Open it. Okay,
right.
I'll hold it.
Okay.
You
ready?
open it. Yes. 3.
That's a good one. That's a fucking good one.
I saw it in the camera, dude.
Damn. These are used.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think they're just a little dirty at the bottom.
No,
they don't look like they're worn.
I think they're used.
You think so?
I don't know, maybe.
They're in really good condition. Guys, Doernbecher 6s.
Wow.
These are, wait, they had another one that released, right?
Yeah.
So this one is what year?
This is the OG pair.
OG Doernbecher 6. Look at the condition. It's a little bit dirty at the bottom. It has like a little bit of sticker residue. So I guess they use these as an example for legit checking. But man, this is, I think it's a money sneaker, right?
This is good.
This one's a good one.
This is a good one. I've always wanted the shoe, but I never had it.
Hey, what size are these?
It's 12.
Too big for you, huh?
Yeah, too big.
Sorry, Dustin.
Oh, wait. I think I know this emblem. It's from Jeff.
Oh, it's from Jeff.
Yeah, it's from Jeff. This is Jeff's pair. What up, Jeff? That's crazy.
This is a good sneaker to have.
This is. If you're a collector, for sure, this is a collector's item.
I'm gonna go for a loose shoe, maybe.
Is there any? I didn't feel anything.
Oh my God. Dustin.
What?
Dustin, I know what these are. Like right off the bat, dude, if this is what I think it is.
I'm not looking.
Oh my God. Okay,
I'm not
okay,
looking.
Okay, wait. Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. I'm gonna put the shoe in your hand and you're gonna tell me what shoe this is.
No way. For real? Oh, shit. Wow.
Dude, those are in good condition too.
10.5.
No box.
10.5.
That's my size.
Dude, this is
they're in really good condition.
wow. Oh, there's a little heel drag, but holy shit.
For the age of
wow. I knew it was a blazer and then I felt the bottom and then I felt it.
Dude, I felt this part right here and I was like, okay, I already know. Nike Supreme Blazers, guys.
That's a good fucking come up.
Size 10.5. These things go for money. I don't know how hard or easy it is to move these just because of how expensive they are.
But they're in good condition.
But look at the condition. You don't see them in this condition. Soul steals, baby. Soul steals. This might be the 4,000 box, man. Unless the rest are bricks.
I don't know.
I'm gonna fish for the
loose one?
Yeah, for the loose one. Watch me pull out a different color one. Okay, that's it.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh, we're doing good so far.
You or me?
You go.
Oh, okay, here's another loose shoe.
Loose shoe. Can you guess it? I'm gonna close my eyes.
No. This feels like a LeBron. I feel like.
Let me see.
Am I wrong or am I right? I don't know. It feels like a LeBron 10.
No, LeBron 9, dude. This is LeBron.
Oh shit!
What?
Oh, holy shit!
What, dude?
Open your f***ing eyes. You know what that is?
I don't know what this is.
Oh, it's
with the LeBron?
I don't know if it's the LeBron.
I'm not to be fair,
forgot.
I'm not a big LeBron shoe kind
But I
of
knew
person.
it was LeBron because of the way the ankle is right here. But
What do y'all think?
is it the LeBron?
It has to be what the LeBron 10. Dude, look at the color. They don't even match.
No, you're right.
I don't know how much these go for though.
People used to go crazy for these. That's insane. You know how I twisted my ankle with the LeBron?
LeBron 10s?
Yeah. LeBron 10.
Oh, I like the thing
It says
right here.
MVP, so I think these are LeBron 10 MVPs. I don't know. I don't remember.
All right, by the time this video goes live, I'll have the correct name on the screen right here. We got some LeBron 10s. I don't know, these used to hit for back in the day, but
Yeah.
I don't know, are people wearing LeBrons like that anymore?
If you want to be cool on the court, maybe.
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm editing the video right now, putting the prices. I didn't know those LeBrons were going for that much money. On StockX, the brand new price for the lowest ass right now is $1,900 for that size 10 that I have. And the sale price, or the highest bid, is $1,500 right now. And the pair that I have looks like it was lightly worn one time, so that's how I came up with that number. I tried to find some other numbers, but everything was like crazy. eBay has them for $1,700, $2,700, literally insane. So I don't know, man. The LeBrons is kind of iffy. I just kind of guessed at that number. I just don't see me selling them for that much. They're gonna sit for a while if they're at that price, but I don't know, man. The shoe game a little weird right now. I don't know, but you guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But let's go ahead and continue this video.
All right, sir.
Ready?
All right. What is this? It's kind of heavy. Hold on. Oh. Oh. I think I know what this...
Let me see.
Wait, are your eyes open?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't close this whole time.
Okay, I'm here. Wait. Here. I think it's a...
It feels like a... No, this tongue's too small to be a 3. Oh, what? Whoa,
clot,
the clots.
the clots.
Oh, wow.
Clot Air Force Ones. They seem kind of big. Maybe that's size 11?
12.
Size 12. The white version. I like the pink clots. I like the blue ones. White ones are cool.
The black ones are cool.
You could, I think you burn this off or something, or you could rip it. And
You
there's
cut it open,
something-
right?
Yeah, there's something underneath.
Okay, I don't feel any more loose shoes.
Let them figure it out. Go closer, go closer, go closer.
There it is.
That's focused.
That's focused right there. You ready?
I don't know what it is. Hold on, hold on.
I'm gonna close my eyes. I wanna see your reaction first.
And open them.
Sheesh. Damn!
Dude, right?
Dude, I've only seen these at SneakerCon.
Oh my God. And guess what?
Ripple.
Shouts out to Jeff.
What's Gucci?
Damn, wow. I've always wanted these. What size are these?
Size 12 and a half, sorry, Dustin.
Are these brand new? They could be brand new.
Nah, they look worn maybe like once.
Yeah, oh yeah,
They're a
the
little
Jumpman's
dirty
gone.
inside.
Wow.
Ray Allen 13s.
That's crazy.
This is for sure the $4,000 box. There's no way that it's not the $4,000 box. We've been pulling heat like crazy. You don't see this stuff every single day.
You know, this is the first, I mean, we had it at the shop and stuff, but I've never really like held it in my hand. I just seen it and then it was gone the next hour.
Oh, there's a little leather ripping on here. Like a little scuff.
Oh yeah.
Small little scuff. Pretty good condition though.
Yeah,
I
not
mean,
bad.
I get
Doesn't
scared
smell.
selling shoes like this because it's like, how many people are actually dropping the money for these, you know?
But then again, it is if I was for me, if this was my size and I wanted it and I wanted like a true collector like me, I would buy it for sure.
Ray Allen 13s.
You don't see those.
Shout out Ripple Jeff. Time to pull more fire, hopefully. I'm just gonna go straight up for this box. Okay. Oh, this is a mystery box. Look at this, guys. No tag. Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna look first.
Okay.
We're gonna look first.
I'm gonna guess Kobe.
Okay.
Should I put my hands out?
Yeah. They're dirty though.
It's okay. I'll wash my hands.
Okay.
DB3.
Fuck! But size 14, dude.
God damn!
Who's gonna buy these?
I'm swimming in these.
14 DB3s. One of the best threes ever made.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
Best three.
If y'all have a size 14 friend that's looking for some DB3s, tell them to hit me up. All right, this is a really good sneaker condition.
Are those hitting for much now? Are any DB3s in?
I think they hit for about $600-700. So this is good value.
I think this is the last box right here in my hand.
Okay, you pull that box out. I'll shake the box and we'll see if there's anything else.
Okay, ready?
Okay, you pull that. I'll take a look at it. Oh, this is the last box. Okay.
Oh, it's a Yeezy box.
Okay.
Oh, it's an infant pair.
Yeah.
700?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's a baby size though. Dude, these things are hella small.
Damn.
They're cute.
I think this is Scotty's son's pair.
That's weird.
Oh, what the fuck?
Look at the ends. Oh, they did get cut. I was looking at the ends and I was like, why are there so many ends? So it looks like this was cut maybe by accident or something. I don't know. But yeah. If you guys are interested in this for your child, just know one side has cut laces
And the other one does not.
These are size
12K.
12K. Before we close this video out,
My personal opinion.
what do you think? $4,000 box though. I gotta look at all the market prices for everything. But yeah, we're gonna close this video out. We have one more video to film. How was that first experience, dude?
It was kind of cool and exciting trying to guess the
Okay.
shoes and it was fun.
Make sure you follow this guy on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. We're out. Deuces!